Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the mountains and the sea, there lived a curious young boy named Sam. Sam was known for his vivid imagination and insatiable thirst for knowledge. One day, while playing near the village stream, he stumbled upon a peculiar stone. It was shimmering with colors like the rainbow, and when Sam touched it, it made a magical splash. The splash didn't just create a ripple in the water, but it also caused a ripple in Sam's mind. The stone had the power to reveal hidden knowledge about any object or phenomenon. Excited by this discovery, Sam decided to use it to learn about the world around him. He began with the mysterious stone itself. As he touched it and made a splash, the stone revealed its origin, its properties, and even the secrets of its magical power. Sam was amazed and intrigued. He spent days and nights learning about everything his magical stone could teach him. One day, Sam decided to use the stone to learn about the village's history. He touched the stone and made a splash, and the stone revealed tales of the village's founding, its traditions, and the legends that shaped its culture. Sam felt a deep connection with his village and its people, gaining a new appreciation for his roots. Next, Sam used the stone to learn about the stars, the planets, and the universe. He discovered constellations, galaxies, and the laws of physics that governed the cosmos. He learned about the birth and death of stars, the expansion of the universe, and the mysteries of black holes. But as Sam continued to learn, he began to realize that the stone's magic was not without its limitations. He found that the stone could not reveal everything. There were some questions that the stone couldn't answer, some mysteries that remained unsolved. One day, Sam made a splash with the stone, but instead of revealing new knowledge, the stone said, "There are some things you must discover on your own, Sam. The true magic lies not in knowing everything, but in asking the right questions and seeking answers." Sam understood. He realized that the stone was right. The stone had given him a wealth of knowledge, but it was up to him to use that knowledge to seek more. He continued to learn, not just from the magical stone, but from his own experiences, from the people around him, and from the world itself. In the end, Sam became the wisest and most knowledgeable person in the village. But more importantly, he became a seeker of wisdom, a lifelong learner. And every time he made a splash, he was reminded of the magical stone and the lesson it had taught him, that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. So, dear students, remember the story of Sam and the magical splash. Let it be a reminder that knowledge is a treasure to be sought, not a prize to be won. Keep asking questions, keep seeking answers, and remember that the true magic lies in the journey of learning.